I ordered this headband wig from SAPPHIRE Wigs on Amazon, and you and I are going to check it out together. So first impressions, I think the hair is very soft. It's very pretty. I love the blue mixed in, and it comes with the headband that's on it is just black, but it also came with this headband that you can put on with it. Even though it is held on with headband style, it does have combs. It's got two at the top and one at the bottom. It also has the clip closure right here so that you can tighten it. I have a pretty small head, so I'm going to make it pretty tight, and then we'll try it on and see how it looks. The way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to take a scrunchie first, and I'm going to put my real hair in a ponytail. That will make it easier for the comb to grab on to the underneath part of my hair. And now I am going to undo the headband portion. So I like to hold mine like this and then flip it over. And I'm gonna place it where I would place a headband. And then, so this is a Velcro headband. I'm gonna stick it together underneath. Okay, so far so good. I'm going to now take the headband that they sent with it. I'm going to put it on top of this black headband. And there we go. Back up where you can see. I will probably hit it with a little bit of dry shampoo just to make it not so shiny, but I love it. I'm gonna walk over there so you can see how it looks. So this will be great when you don't have a lot of time and you're trying to hurry. I think this is a great alternative.